after then. I was there in the split century. The school in the split century, right? So all the kids came back to the central was primary school, and then later that Highland was built. I played hockey. And we always liked to play Highland. They were like central. The way it was, you know. And we had 2 leagues on our schedule because we had 10 schools at the time. Johnson, Harding, Monroe, Murray, we had 10 schools and we had great times. We had good schools together. Not like it. Kids used to go out to the classes, doing our homework. That's good. 6 o'clock. And you're outside and running. And I was like, and every night when you let the new school, kids. It was a whole different thing. I'm so glad to see that. Yeah.
This is the other hockey player.
The younger one, yeah. Yeah. They just lost their 4th game.
Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Scots Hockey JV broadcast. So we have a rematch this morning between the Scots and the Packers, who we've already lost to in a scrimmage once this year on a last-second goal. Came in, I think, the final 20 seconds of the goal to undo us. So Scots coming off 2 consecutive defeats. A tough physical matchup yesterday against Cambridge. Well played, but the wheels just kind of came off at the end of the game. So we'll look to rebound today against the Packers. And here's the starting lineups and perhaps the national anthem.
The visiting team, the Highland Park Scots, versus the home team, the South St. Paul Packers. Let's start with the starting lineups for the visiting team, the Highland Park Scots. Starting in net, number 31, Max Johnson. At defense, number 3, Will Chatterjee. Also at defense, number 22, Quinn Winkleman. Starting at forward, number 11, Kale Rickson. Also starting at forward, number 20, Soren Kruziger. And then starting center is number 25, Henrik Gertie. And the rest of the Highland Park Scots team. For the home team, South St. Paul Packers, starting in net, number 33, Kean Taylor. Starting at defense, number 14, Anton Gogola. Other defensive pair, number 27, Braden Depke. Starting at forward, number 8, Bubba Diaz. Another forward, number 13, Walton Joswak. And the last forward, number 29, Cole Ransom. All right, now, as we do the Star Spangled Banner, please, everyone take off your hats, look at the flag, and we'll get her going.
So the Scots will need to bring the physical play to this game. Packers are a big team. They always play physically. We saw that the first time we played them. And Scots will certainly had a primer on that yesterday, playing a Cambridge Asani team that was definitely out to deliver the hits. So we'll see if we can bring that same energy. So to start things off, we have Henrik Gertie at center. He's flanked by Kale Rickson and Soren Kreitziger, and they are backed up by Quinn Winkleman and Will Chatterjee. Max Johnson in net to start things off. So we come out of it with the puck initially. It's flipped ahead to Soren. Soren flips it into the St. Paul zone, picked up by Henrik. Henrik tied up behind the wall, at the end wall. Soren comes across to help out. Puck is still pinned there. Two St. Paul Packers players along with the Scots. Packers come out with it, and they get it ahead out of the zone. Long shot comes in from the blue line. That's dealt with easily by Max. Chatterjee trying to get it ahead to Soren at the half wall. No dice. And there's a chance in the slot. That one broken up. Now Chatterjee emerges with it. He gets tied up, and Soren trying to clear it, but Packers step up and blast it into the opposite corner. Now that's Quinn battling for it, and he manages to dislodge it and get it out of the zone. Quinn stepping forward, he drops it deep, and the Scots will go for a change. Evan comes out to apply some pressure, and puck is loose. Felix overskated it a bit. Packers head into the corner and look to work down low. Centering pass. That one comes out all the way. Kind of a shot through a bunch of traffic. And then Felix delivers a big hit behind the net. Puck is sent along the end wall. That's Felix coming across. He gets it ahead to Jamison. Excellent exit pass to Evan. Evan now skates through neutral ice. He gains the zone. Pulls up, changes direction. Good centering pass there from Jacob. And Jamison tied up in the slot, though. Now Jamison and Jacob battling for it in the corner. And we hold the zone. Felix going to throw that one on net, and it is saved. So first shot on goal for the Scots today. Face-off coming on the near side in the Packers zone. Julian Loreen is out to take the face-off. He's got Will Martin on his right. And Evan, the other Evan, is out there. And Evan with the shot. That is saved by the Packers. We win the face-off. Quinn Winkleman with a quick shot and saved again, and we will do it again from that same spot. So we win the face-off again to Winkleman. His shot is deflected, and now that is Evan Stokes in the corner with it. Squirts loose. That gets to Alex Kishel. He sends it in, but his shot is deflected. Now the puck is loose along the sidewall. Packers look to clear. Bounces off a skate, and they do eventually clear. So that's Stokes. He sends it up against the sidewall, and Alex bonks it out. And Loreen attempting to get it into the zone, but it bounces off a Packers player and out of play. So back to center ice to restart things. Henrik on the draw. And we come out with it. Henrik has it. He gets tied up. Then Soren picks it up and pokes it into the zone. He gets dumped, and the Packers pick up the loose puck and send it through neutral ice. That's Chatterjee. He gets down to the corner, cuts off his man, and eventually pushes it up through traffic. Soren absorbs a check at the half wall, does not hold on to the puck, and the Packers come up with it. Battle along the end wall. Henrik back there to help out Chatterjee. Centering pass, that goes off the side of the netting and gets to Kale. Kale's cross-ice pass goes to Soren. It's behind him, so Soren just dumps it into the zone. Henrik in pursuit, overskates it a bit, and now Evan Ship out to pressure. And cross-ice pass goes off of Kale's skate. Kale then picks it up. He's got some speed and tries to flip it ahead. It's deflected. Kale now dumps it, and Scots will go for a change. So that's Evan Ship coming over, and Jamison as well applying some pressure. Now the Packers with a good breakout pass. Felix stands up his man and wins the puck back. He goes cross-ice, gets it to Jamison just below us. Jamison at the red line fires it in. Goes off of a Packers stick, and Jacob in pursuit behind the net. Felix with a quick shot. That bounces off of Jacob. Jacob gathers the rebound and sends a quick wrister in from the high slot. That one gloved by the Packers netminder. 11:01 to go in the opening frame. Julian out to take the face-off. Ties up his man, and we win the face-off. And that was Evan Stokes getting a quick shot in. Looks like Julian tied up with his man. Julian's got a hold of his stick. And the referee finally sorts things out. So we'll do it again from the same spot, same personnel. Puck is loose, and that one went initially to Isaac Miller, and then the Packers pick it up and send it behind our net. Now it's in the corner. Quinn ties up his man, and puck squirts loose. It's directly behind the net, then poked along the end wall. So that was Stokes picking it up, and then the Packers getting a shot off. Felix now. And it's at the blue line. We're going to get a high wrister. That comes in from the point. A little bit of heat on that one, but not on net. Quinn battling for it in the corner. And he's joined by Isaac. Shot comes in from above the circle, sticked away by Max. And now we clear the zone. Julian's got some speed coming up the side. And he looks to toe drag, but he's caught between two players. And Julian delivers a big hit. A little bit of retaliation there from the Packers, so maybe headed for one of those types of games. Puck is loose. Kale picks it up, sends it down low. It's rimmed around. Soren's going to go look for it in the corner, and he pokes it ahead, but is tied up. Packers come out with it. Long clearing pass. That'll be icing. Henrik on the draw. Packers meant South St. Paul Packers pick it up. It's at the half wall, held in by Henrik. Kale with it on his backhand. He comes across, drops it to Chatterjee. Chatterjee with a quick wrister. That one stays low and is deflected and ultimately brought out of the zone by the Packers. Puck behind the net. Alex gets taken down, but does get his pass off to Soren. Soren to Henrik. Henrik loses the handle, and the puck is loose at the red line and dumped in by the Packers. Alex goes behind the net to retrieve it, and he gets it ahead to Soren. Soren gets it up to Henrik. He's got some speed. By himself, though, Kale going for a change. Henrik gets dumped at the half wall, and the Packers look to go the other way. Quick wrister, that one goes high and wide and rims all the way out of the zone. And that's Evan Ship. Yeah, so Evan Ship out there, and Scots are offside, so they'll need to tag up. That's Quinn. He picks it up, flips it ahead. That one going to Jacob. Jacob ties up his man on the boards. Ship looking to get it into the zone. Gets through some traffic. Now nice move. Ship hits the bar, and it ends up in the netting. Quick wrister. Ship just fired that one in there, and oh so close to getting the opening goal. Jacob on the draw, and Jacob gets his stick stuck in there. No penalty. Jamison now looking to dig it out from behind the net, and the Packers are gonna, nope, they don't clear it. Jacob picks the pocket. Ship to Nonemacher. Nonemacher, I think, hit the side of the post on that one. So we're getting a little closer here. Ship now with it. He's behind the net. Good centering pass. Oh, it's on Jacob's stick, but he fans on it. That was a good chance. And Packers forced to ice it, and we will head back down to the Packers zone. Good shift for the Scots. Julian out to take the face-off, and he's got Evan Stokes to his left, and looks like Will Martin to his right. Packers come out with it, send it behind the net. Will delivers a pretty big hit there, and puck is loose. Packers clear it, only as far as Alex. He drops it to his defensive line mate, and that's Felix. He sends it out into the zone. Julian delivers a big hit, and Packers come up with it. Pass mishandled, and Felix drops it, but I guess he was behind the red line, so it'll be icing. Play will shift down to the far side in the Scots zone, and Scots will change. So Henrik out there now to center. He's out there with Soren, Felix, Kale, and Alex. Rimmed around quickly. Kale in pursuit, and icing waved off as Kale doesn't quite win the puck battle, but does enough to cause them to wave off the icing. Puck in our zone, D to D, Alex to Felix. Felix now skates out of the zone. He goes cross ice. What a pass. And what a handle from Kale to bring that one down out of the air. Now it's on with Soren in the corner. Soren gets tied up by a couple of players. And it's Henrik looking to help out. But Packers able to clear the zone again. Packers with some speed. Felix going to have to do a lot to get back. And we're going to get a penalty. Soren delivers a big hit extracurricular, and I think Soren's going to head to the box too. Probably not the smartest play on his part. So we'll wait for the call. I think probably going to have two Scots headed to the box. No, we get away with it. Soren with the extracurricular hit behind the net. So Felix with a hook, I think, is probably what's going to be called. He gets taken down, and then after the whistle, Soren flies in and delivers a hit and gets away with it. So Packers with the first power play of the game. They're passing it around.
Minor penalty assessed to number 33 of the Scots. Felix showed 2 minutes for cross-checking.
Okay, it's going to be a cross-check instead. Not really sure about why they call it cross-check. Looked more like a hook. But anyway, Felix in the box for 2 minutes. He keeps his streak of penalties alive. That was a deflected shot. Packers are a little unlucky that one didn't go in. That was a good shot. Slapper, that one does go in. Just too much time, and Packers tee it up from above the right circle and just blast it in. So that will end the power play 1-0 in favor of the Packers. Echo coming at 9:23 of the first period. Power play goal for the Packers. And Jacob on the face-off gets it to Jameson.
Number 15, Noah Elton, with an assist by number 13, Walton Joswak. Again, Noah Elton from Walton Joswak. Time of the goal, 11:23.
So Scott's in a little bit of a hole now. That's Henry dropping it in. And now we have the puck headed down into our zone. That will be icing. Julian on the draw. Packers get behind and dig it out. And not puck out of the zone. Henry's going to have to go back and chase to pick it up. He sends it back through neutral ice. Picked up by the Packers. They go D to D. And clearance attempt gets picked off. That was Evan Shipp picking it up. Shipp behind the net now, surveying the scene. He changes direction. Packers player misses a chip. Centering pass, that one's broken up. Gets to Henry. Henry throws it in. That one off the side of the base of the net. And both Julian and Shipp come over to deliver a hit. Actually, that was Miller. Isaac Miller and Julian delivering the hit. Packers get it into our zone. It's behind our net. off of Miller's shin pad, and Packers come across and just dump. Not sure who got hit there. Julian gets just dumped. Open ice. So Packers will head to the box for that hit. 0 attempt to play the puck on that one. Julian shaken up. So it'll be a cross check on the Packers. Henrik out there to take the draw. Gets to Soren. Quick shot off of the face-off. Soren's shot goes wide, though. And Packers do manage to clear. Just bounces past Chatterjee.
Number 28 of the Packers, Luke Ransom. 2 minutes for cross-checking. 2 minutes for cross-checking assigned to number 28.
So Luke Ransom heads to the box. And I'm pretty sure... I feel like I've had a conversation with that kid in the penalty box before, but maybe not. Clearing attempt. Kale gloves it at the blue line. Skates through traffic. That's Henrik with a chance. His shot is deflected. Kale and Soren battling for it. And poked away by Kale, and it is cleared ultimately. Max plays it out from behind the net. That's Quinn. He picks it up. Cross ice to Kale. Deflects off of Kale's stick. Kale gets dumped. Soren picks it up. Gets into the zone. He needs to uncork this. Doesn't get much on it. And Henrik follows it up, but he's tied up behind the net. Packers skate it out of the zone. Penalty about halfway over, and it's cleared off the plexiglass behind the Scots net. Sent up along the sidewall. Kale looking for the long stretch pass, and that's poked ahead by Evan Ship, but the Packers then clear the zone. Packers rim it all the way along the end wall. Felix steps up, puck rolling on its side, and it's poked away by Jamison. Jamison with some speed through the neutral zone, gets into the corner, changes direction, gets dumped, and the Packers are going to clear it. Penalty winding down, 15 seconds to go. Max lays it off for Alex. Alex trying to avoid his man, but it gets poked away, and now it's back in our zone. Felix regroups, long stretch pass, that's a good one, to Jamison. Jamison hits it off of a Packers player on the bench. And we'll have a play stoppage. And that'll do it on the power play. So Scott's unable to capitalize on the man advantage. 2:05 to go in the first. Julian heads back out to take the face-off. And Packers pick it up. Quick move through the zone. They're going to have an angle here. Rister comes in from the left circle. Max is down, and he's back up now, so we kind of dodge a bullet there. A couple of shots going wide for the Packers. Evan Ship comes across. No, that was Evan Stokes. Apologies to the Stokes and Ship family. Doesn't help that their numbers are 27 and 37. So, Julian out there centering the line. He'll take the face off, and he is joined by Evan Stokes and Will Martin. Will pressuring at the point, and Packers send it down to the end wall. Goes off of a skate of a Packers player. It's loose on the side. Julian comes out with it. Julian going to skate it into the zone. He drops it. Nice little backhanded no-look pass. That's Evan Stokes trying to gather it. It was just a little behind him. Julian back behind the net. Evades a check and changes direction. Now Stokes ties up his man. He's still got the puck and drops it to Quinn. Quinn doesn't get all of it on the pass, though, and the Packers pick it up and flip it into the zone. Bouncing puck goes wide of the net. Chatterjee back to pick it up. He goes D to D, but it's picked off by the Packers. They send it back, and it goes all the way to the red line. Packers just decide to dump, and Quinn will go back to gather it. Quinn goes cross ice. That one ahead of Will Martin, and it's going to go back to the Packers goalie who's forced to play it. Soren in pursuit, and the Packers will go across the ice. Backhanded flip, glove down by Henrik, and flipped off the plexiglass into neutral ice. Henrik picks it up. He's going to get into the zone with some speed. He looking to evade that last defender and unable to do so. Puck in the corner now. Soren in pursuit, shoves his man into the boards, but he is able to clear. Now Alex forced to come across. Max with a nice play to just jump out of the crease, and Kale gets dumped as the horn sounds. So 1-0 at the end of one. And Scots will be looking to get on the board in the second period. This game looks winnable, but Scots will just need to grind a little bit harder here, see if they can come up with the opening goal.
I like how Soren's holding his body. He took a check there.
Yeah.
Stayed up on it. I'm starting to figure that out.
How are we doing? So we will switch sides and get the second period underway here momentarily. Scots will have the long defensive change for this period. And that's Henrik on the draw. It's loose, and Soren trying to pick it up. Henrik now gets it to Soren. Soren tries to evade his man. No dice there. Henrik comes across, pokes it into the zone, and pass goes to Felix. Felix avoids his man, but his pass too hot to handle. Felix with probably gets away with one. Kind of a late challenge there. Centering pass, that one's picked off by Alex. Alex sends it against the sidewall to clear the zone. Picked up at around the blue line by the Packers, and not a good pass there. Soren picks it off and gets it to Henrik, but then Henrik is stood up. Poked free by Felix, and Soren sends it against the sidewall. Henrik in pursuit. Henrik's going to win this one, and he looks to center, but it's broken up. Chatterjee with a good poke check. He's going to look to gather it in the corner. He changes direction, but gets bodied off. Nope, Chatterjee wins it back. And it's picked up by Henry. Henry gets it ahead to Jamison. It's behind Jamison, though. Jamison gets stood up. Kind of looked like interference, but no call. And the Packers will gain the zone. Quick shot. That one is a pad save by Max. Jamison gets dumped again. And the Packers take the puck back. Packers get into the zone, but not for long. And that's Jacob to Ship, and now Jamison with a chance, and his shot was deflected. Ship had a chance to gather it, but puck was kind of awkwardly placed for him. Chatterjee holds with his skate and then flips in a long pass to the opposite corner. Jamison in pursuit behind the net. Packers change direction, go to the half wall, and they poke it out past Henry. Henry tracking back. Nice little turn and pass there from Henry, and he gets it to Ship. Ship now coming through traffic. Good chance there off the goalie's pad, and Packers pick it up. Poke from Quinn. And long shot, that one goes in, that's wide. And nice little exit pass. That one goes to Isaac Miller. He skates through neutral ice and sends it ahead. That one goes onto a Packers stick. Evan Stokes comes across and delivers a hit. And puck squirts out. Packers look to recirculate it. Julian picks it up at our blue line, flips it ahead. It's misplayed by the Packers. And now that's Evan Stokes coming forward to challenge. Packers have it at the half wall in their zone. Long pass ahead. Alex picks it up, sends it forward, but picked up again by the Packers. Now they skate down to the corner in the Scots zone. Centering pass, that one picked off. That was Evan Stokes clogging the slot and intercepting. Alex skates it up and looks for a little slap shot. That one goes wide and all the way around. And the Packers now look to break it out, but we're going to have icing now. Stokes sends it deep, and we'll head back down to the Scott zone for a face-off. Henrik on the draw. He ties up his man. It's loose. Heads up to the blue line. Rister comes in. That was a loud pad save from Max. Just trapped it right there in his pad and covered it. So we'll redo things from the same spot. Henrik on the draw again. Packers come up with it. Escape behind the net. Looking to wrap it around. And shot comes in. Short side sealed off by Max on that one. Chatterjee comes up with it. Gets it ahead to Soren. And penalty coming. It's going to be a trip. And Chatterjee tripped up there. So the Packers are head to the box at 1:57 of the second period, and we'll get a power play. Face-off will head down. Into the Packers zone. Face-off on the near side. Henrik on it. Henrik ties up his man.
We have a minor penalty and assigned to South St. Paul Packers number 8, Melvin Diaz, 2 minutes for tripping.
Max with the stretch pass to Henrik. Henrik gets it ahead to Kale. Kale then drops it off for Henrik. Henrik going to shoot Rister from the top of the circle. Forces a save from the Packers. And we'll have another face-off in the Packers zone. So Jacob comes out to take the face-off. And we win it. Drop it back to Quinn. Quinn fires it in. A lot of traffic and penalty coming. Another penalty coming on the Packers. So Max skates off on the delayed penalty. We're passing it around. Ship drops it to Quinn, and his shot comes in from the blue line and is blocked. And we have the play stoppage. So Scots will go on the 5-on-3 for 122. It's a great opportunity now to capitalize and equalize this thing. 5-on-3 for 122, and then we'll have another 38 seconds on the power play after that. So Jacob out there again. He's joined by Ship on his left, Nanamacher on his right. And Jacob ties it up in the corner. Jamison coming across, flipped ahead, glove down by Chatterjee. He sends it back to the corner. That's Nanamacher surveying the scene. Back to Chatterjee. He goes D to D. Quinn holds the zone. And shot is deflected. Back to Winkleman. Gets it to Nanamacher. Nanamacher goes across. Jacob looking for the one-timer. Doesn't get all of it. Cross-checking the call. And that second penalty for the Packers, by the way. Max plays it back out to Quinn. Quinn looking around, and he gets it ahead to Jamison. Jamison going to gain the zone. He drops it for Quinn. Quinn eludes his man, gets into the circle, fires in a wrister, and it's saved by the Packers. About 30 seconds to go on the 5-on-3. Scots will do a partial change. Cale comes on the ice. Jacob on the draw again. Packers win it and clear it. Max jumps out of the net to play it, and he just leaves it for Quinn. 20 seconds to go on the 5-on-3. Quinn comes up. That's kind of a loose pass that I think Chatterjee not quite expecting. Quinn still has it, and he gets it now ahead to Cale. Cale gains the zone. Cale in the circle, changes direction, eludes his man, looking to center, and that one goes off the crossbar, and that's going to be a penalty. Jacob's going to go for 2 minutes on a hook. So that will do it for the Scots power play. And the Packers will go on the power play 36 seconds from now. So the faceoff will go back to the Scots zone. Cale will come out to take the faceoff, and he gets it over to Henry, who sends it back along the end wall to Felix.
We have a minor penalty assigned to Scots number 19, Jacob Plaziga, 2 minutes for hooking.
Packers with a shot from close range, kind of wrapped it around the net and fired it in. Stick save and then covered by Max. Cale wins the face-off himself, flips it ahead off the plexiglass, and the Packers pick it up and send it through neutral ice. Now they're skating in. Felix in pursuit, and Max with a good save. Kind of a point-blank effort there. And that's picked up by Evan Stokes, and he gets shot off.
That goalie's got a good glove in it.
And it's gloved by the Packers. So Packers on the power play now for another minute and 21 seconds while Jacob serves out the remainder of the penalty. And Packers come up, win this face-off. They send it cross ice, and it's going to end up at about the half wall. Now the corner. Felix comes over, delivers the hit, but Packers still on the puck. Now they drop it to the point, goes off of a skate, and it's D-to-D pass. They drop it to the corner, back to the D-man. He rifles it in. It's blocked, and rebound is sent wide by the Packers. Felix absorbs a hit in the corner and ties things up. Still tied up. Good play from Felix. Now Packers emerge with it. There's a rebound chance. That one goes wide. Packers with it at the point. They whip it in, and Max covers this one. And 30 seconds to go on the Packers power play. Still 1-0, 7:31 to go in the period. So Soren casually skates out to take the face-off. And the Packers win it. They go to the half wall. Drop it back to the point. It's misplayed. Send it back down to the corner. Still surveying the scene at the half wall. Scott's happy to deal with this, and Soren clears it. And that should just about do it on the power play. No icing, as that puck race is won by Evan. And Evan ties up his man, pins him down there in the corner.
Scots are full strength.
And there's the call. Scott's back to full strength. Packers looking to walk it in, but eventually just too much traffic. Quinn whirls and drops it for Chatterjee. Chatterjee skates it out. skates out ahead. Chatterjee pulls up and then drops it to the corner. Now Soren comes across, looks to deliver a hit and break things up. Puck now loose down there on the sidewall. And Chatterjee's, oh no, he does not. Chatterjee does eventually get the shot off. There's this drop for him real quickly by Stokes. Jacob picks it up, he's out of the box. And Jacob fires in a goal from the blue line. Heck of a shot from Jacob. Just kind of catches the netminder sleeping.
Jinxed him with the glove.
So Jacob fires that one in stick side. Or rather glove side. And not a whole lot of heat on it, but it just went right into the top corner, well placed, and like I said, I think it caught the netminder sleeping. Great shot from Jacob.
19, Jacob Hosea, assisted by number 66, Alex Fischel. Again, number 19, Hosea.
So Alex gets the assist. Packers come right back and fire an wrister from the point. That one narrowly missed. It just went over the crossbar. Puck is loose in the slot, and Max is going to have to cover. Julian out to take the face off. And Julian wins it, flips it out of the zone. Packers will have to tag up. And they whip it back down, knocked out of midair by Felix, who then gathers it, changes direction behind the net, and gets it out ahead to Stokes. Stokes with it at the half wall, and he sends it up along the sidewall to Julian, who gets it right back to Stokes. Nice play there. Stokes gains the zone, gets hung up at the half wall, and Julian's going to come across to gather it, and he looks to change direction in the corner. Stokes and Julian still down there battling for it. Stokes comes up with it, drops it to Alex. Alex does not get all of it on the shot. It's blocked, but he dumps his man, and we get the puck back. Felix does just enough to stick it away and avoid disaster. Packers send it cross ice, and now Julian looking to pick it up, but Packers have it, kind of walk the line and get down towards the half wall. Now looking to wrap it around, and the Packers hit the post from a tight angle. We dodge a bullet on that one. Just allowing the Packers a little too much time on the puck right now. Got to close them down quicker. Felix sends it long after a torrid shift in the back for us. So 4:28 to go in the second period. This game knotted at 1. Here comes Henrik to take the face off. Packers come up with it, flip it around into the corner, now behind the net, looking to wrap things around. Another shot from a tight angle. That one's deflected off of a stick and goes into the netting. Henrik on the draw. It's back at the point. The Packers send it down low. And they're going to chase in the corner. Picked up by Henrik. Henrik gets dropped at the sidewall as he tries to skate through neutral ice. And another shot that's deflected. Bounces right back down to the short side, and Max does well to seal it off. Chatterjee overskates it a little bit as he looks to clear from behind the net. Now it's in the corner. And puck is loose in the slot, tied up by Henrik, though. Chatterjee picks up the loose puck. Soren avoids a check, and Chatterjee comes up with it in the corner. Chatterjee gets it to Soren. He's on his backhand on the sidewall. Now he's tied up. Henrik comes across to help. Soren's still battling for it. Chatterjee with it kind of awkwardly, and Packers player comes and picks his pocket, but Chatterjee recovers well and ties up the puck in the corner. Now Soren battling for it. And Packers come out with it initially. That's got to be a... So we're going to get an interference call. So Chatterjee to the box for interference. That's a pretty ridiculous call. I thought if anything he got tripped. So that penalty comes at 9:51 of the second. Packers back on the power play and Scots on the kill. Jamison comes out of the faceoff with it. He sends it along the plexiglass the length of the ice. Good play. And that kills the first 10 seconds. Puck is loose. Jacob kind of looking around, wondering when the Packers are going to try to play it. And they do come up with it. Now they skate through neutral ice. And they're going to look to wrap it around again. Nope. Change of direction. And Alex back there. Puck at the half wall.
Chatterjee from the Highland Park Scots. 2 minutes for interference. Again, Will Chatterjee, number 3. 2 minutes for interference.
Puck is at the point. Jacob gets a stick in there and whipped ahead by Quinn and then cleared by Jacob. Packers netminder comes out to leave it for the Packers. And long stretch pass that finds the stick of a Packers player after a ricochet off the sidewall. Packers circle the net. Drop it for the point man. Now we've got a chance here. That's Evan Stokes with an opportunity. And he goes to his backhand. Another chance. Stokes and Ship down there both trying to make something happen on the shorthanded chance, but no dice. Pretty good move there from Stokes, but no dice. Packers netminder equal to the task. Packers on the puck again. They lose it. Quinn backhands it ahead to Stokes. And now we get it ahead, and we're going to get a hand pass. So hand pass on the Packers. That will bring us to the Packers zone on the far side. 21 seconds to go on the kill for the Scots. Kale wins the faceoff, and that's Henry tying it up. Now he pokes it ahead, and it's in the far circle. Now it's at the half wall. The Packers pick it up and look to skate it out of the zone. Kale comes across, pokes it away, and nice little drop pass from Kale. He's got Julian coming out, and we are out of the box. Chatterjee comes off, and Soren on.
And 1 minute remaining in the period.
1 minute to go in the second period. Felix delivers a hit, dislodges the puck, and we get it across to Kale. Now we've got a chance. Julian streaking in, and shot comes in that's high and wide. Felix now sends it in, and that was Kale trying to get on the end of it. Good centering pass. There it is, and it goes in. Great centering pass from Kale, who was over in the corner. He had both Soren and Julian streaking, and Julian gets on the end of it, hits the celly. Much to Dad's dismay. So the Scots take the lead with just 40.5 seconds. Hoping Julian's mom caught that one. Did you see it?
I did.
Okay, good. So Roxy gets a good look at it, which is always good to see. So we come out of that face-off with it. Henrik centers. Now we get a long shot. Comes in. There's a chance on a rebound. And Soren puts it in. We're cooking with grease now. So a bit of a scrum there. Soren crashing the net at the far side. Just pokes it in.
That's a proper celly.
Dion approves of Soren's celly. Not so much Julian's. So both announcers' kids on the score sheet, so we're feeling good up here. 3-1 now. Puck is loose. Max is going to have to do a lot of work there to keep it out of the net, and does. Looking to survive the second period. Deflected shot. Max does well to track that one.
For the Scots, number 20, Soren Kruziger, assisted by number 11, Kale Rickson, number 22, Quinn Winkleman. Again, Soren Kruziger from Kale Rickson and Quinn Winkleman.
So Rickson and Winkleman with the assists on that. Rickson with the primary assist, Winkleman with the hockey assist. Scott's looking well positioned now to potentially avenge that last-second defeat in earlier scrimmage this season. So good period from the Scots. We are in the lead, 3-1. Zamboni will come out to resurface this thing, and we'll be back shortly. And welcome back for the third period. Scots looking to protect a 2-goal lead. Soren on the faceoff goes down, and we come up with it. And that's Evan Stokes with it at the red line. Evan comes out with it, sends it deep into the Packers zone. Soren and Kale in pursuit, and it's out at the half wall, loose. They poke it past Alex, who is pinching, and now Stokes delivers a hit and disrupts things and recovers the puck, sends it out of the zone. Kale skates ahead. He's got some speed. Kale goes short side. Puck is loose, and Packers manage to clear it. Good chance there for the Scots. Alex holds the zone. Packers come up with it, and now that's Evan Ship coming across. And we knock it loose. Kale pokes it softly and goes for a change. Ship is going to pursue it into the corner. We're in the middle of a change, though, so the Packers will get it out of the zone. They pick it up at the red line, send it in. Max plays it with his pad out wide. Chatterjee picks it up, absorbs a check, and now it's behind the end wall. Centering pass. That was a golden opportunity for the Packers, but Max makes the pad save. Chatterjee skating out. A little bit of confusion between him and Jamison. Jamison sends it ahead, just outside of the reach of Ship, who is streaking through the neutral zone. Ship picks it up, and it's loose. Henry's going to shoot it. Gets through traffic initially, but not all the way. Henry holds, and Jacob's going to pick it up and send it on net. That one goes just a bit wide and high. Puck dropped for Felix. Felix with this quick slapper. That one goes wide. Jamison gathers it. Tight angle, and he wires it in there. Stays low, and it is covered by the Packers netminder. And Julian on the draw. We win it. Henry drops it to the corner. Now Julian's got it behind the net. He gets tied up and sends it back along the end wall. Now it's at the half wall. Felix pinching, holds the zone, and plays it through, sticked aside by the netminder for the Packers. Henry sends it back to the corner, then it's back out to Henry. Goes back to the corner. Two-man game between him and Isaac Miller. And Julian comes across behind the net to try to poke it loose. Felix going to pinch again. Felix with a huge slap shot. That one saved, though, by the Packers. Big rebound, unable to get on the end of it. And the Packers will clear by going cross ice. Felix really getting some heat on his slap shots right now. Felix gets tripped. No call coming, though. And Julian dumps it into the zone. Kale in pursuit, loses track of it behind the net, and now Alex comes up to hold. Alex gets dropped, and puck squirts past Soren as well. Henrik comes across. Good back check there from Henrik to break things up. It's looking kind of dangerous. Henrik picks it up, sends it along the board. Soren trying to clear, still no dice though. Packers come up with it. They're in the slot. They just mishandle it as they're trying to gather for the shot, and we dodge a bullet. That would have been a good chance. Henrik evades his man, and then he's joined. And Henrik somehow comes out with it. Alex pokes it away, and it ends up back in the Packers zone. They tip it ahead, no icing. Nope, I changed my mind. South St. Paul fans have the better of this argument. That was not icing, but we get an icing call anyway. We'll take it at this point. 11:22 remaining in the third period. Scott's still with the 2-goal advantage. Jacob wins the faceoff. Jamison drops it for Henry, but it goes past Henry. Chatterjee forced to come back and cover, and he ties up his man on the end wall. Two Packers players, and Jacob comes out with it. Jacob still's got it, and he is able to clear the zone. Packers are off, and they play it, so we'll have an offsides call. Face off on the far side just outside of the Scots zone. Jacob on the draw. And it's poked out by Alex, then sent back down to the corner by the Packers. Alex sends it behind the net, and he gets it over to Ship. Ship sends it ahead. Bounces off the side while Jameson in pursuit, and we will have icing. Pretty close on that icing call. Jameson almost won the puck race. Foot race? Puck race? 10:44 to go. And Jacob wins the face-off. We come out with it. And that was Ship. He had a chance, but just poked away just before he could really get out and gather speed. Packers have it in the corner and pressured by Felix as well as Jacob. Jacob now comes out with it, got a little bit of space. He skates ahead through neutral ice. He's got Jameson with him, and he pulls up at about the half wall in the circle and get a long wrister. That one comes in from Felix. That one well wide. And a Ship looking to drop it to Alex. Didn't get enough on it, and Alex now circles back, goes D to D to Felix. Felix with a good cross-ice pass just ahead of Jameson, but Jameson does tip it, so no icing. And Julian looks to battle behind the net to win it back. Packers emerge from behind the net with it, and they've got a bit of speed now. Chatterjee looks to deliver a check, doesn't really get all of it, and they drop it from behind the net. Wrister comes in high. It's knocked down out of the air by Henrik, and that was wide ultimately. Packers are off. They'll need to tag up. Shot goes against the end wall. Chatterjee eludes a check, and puck just squirts out. Henrik avoids his man, but loses the puck, and now the Packers are offside, which is fortunate for us because they had 2-on-0 there. Julian on the face-off ties up his man, and he's hauled back. The Packers player had his stick and impeded him from getting the puck, but no call. Packers skate through. They're into the slot, and Henrik does just enough. Good back check from him. And we pick it up at the half wall. Passes in Julian's skates, but it falls kindly to Isaac Miller. Miller trying to get it ahead to Julian, but a little behind him. And they're off. Packers off again, struggling right now with their zone entries. 8:50 to go in this one. Scots up 3-1. Soren on the face-off, and we win it. Kale comes out with it. And a little too much time on the puck there. And Felix gets his pocket picked, but we do clear the zone. Packers look to regroup. D-to-D pass at the red line. They fan on it, and Stokes sends it deep. And Soren is going to go back behind the net to chase, and puck gets sent out along the sidewall, and they do clear. Felix defending, and shot comes in. Kind of a little flipped wrister comes in from the circle, and Max saves it. No real problem for Max on that one. 8:16 to go. Starting on the face-off. The Packers win this one. And Packers send it from the half wall to the blue line. Shot is blocked by Kale. Kale kind of catch a stinger there. I think it hit his leg. Soren gets it ahead to Kale, but not enough on it. Soren drops his man. He's going to get a penalty for that. Interference. So Soren will head to the box with an interference call for his troubles. I'm sure I'll hear about that one after the game. That penalty coming at 7:04 of the third. So Scots will have to kill a power play. Puck at the half wall, sent in, and Max saves that one.
2 minutes for interference. Again, Kruziger, 2 minutes for interference.
So we get a slapper that comes in from between the blue line and the slot. That one deflected and goes into the netting. And we'll have another face-off. This one on the near side in the Scots zone. That's Jacob on the face-off. He wins it and gets it ahead to Alex. Alex rifles it out, and it bounces off the stick of a Packers player and out of the zone. They will have to retreat and regroup. Packers circling in their zone. They kind of throw it aimlessly against the sidewall, and we clear the zone again. Jacob now gets a stick in there, disrupts things. Packers pick it up, but they're unable to gather it, and Jamison sends it the length of the ice to clear things out. 1:10 to go on the penalty. Packers hold up behind their net, survey the scene. Jamison covering his man. And we get an exit pass, not the best pass, and it comes loose. Chatterjee picks it up in the corner. He chips it out. We're not able to clear the zone, and we're going to get played with a high stick call. No penalty, just play stoppage. So the faceoff heads down to the far side in the Packers zone, and that's Evan Shipp taking the faceoff. Packers come out with it, skate through neutral ice with some speed, and I don't know if that was a shot, but either way it was deflected by Felix. And now it's loose, and shot from point blank. Packers jamming at Max after the play. Scott's not too happy about that, but Max makes the save. 39 seconds to go on the kill. And Mac's going to have to adjust his equipment after that sequence. So Julian to take the face-off. Packers hit the post. The centerman won it and then just rifled it off of the far post. So dodge a bullet there. Sticks flying. That was Shipp losing his stick. And Max goes down and covers, and we're going to have a scrum there. Kind of ran over Max, and not sure who dropped the Packers player after the play, but it's never going to go. It's never going to go unretaliated. So both players head to the box. Must have been Shipp who came in and dropped the player who had run Max over in the crease. So we'll get coincidental minors, and it will still be 5-on-5, I believe.
Max had to come out and play that puck.
No, I don't think so. Soren's already in there. So Shipp joins Soren in the box. No, maybe not. Coach Ryan having a conversation with the Zebras. And Julian having a conversation with Soren and Shipp. Okay, I think we're going to get more than just a single penalty. So Isaac Miller goes in to serve the penalty. I'm going to assume that there's something beyond just coincidental minors here. Quick shot there from just outside of the crease. Max equal to the task, seals the short side again. And the Packers have it. So right now it's 5-on-4 hockey, to be clear. And Soren out of the box now, and he's going to jump into the play immediately out of the box, but Packers retain possession. So back to 5-on-5 hockey, still awaiting the call. All I can tell you is there's two Scots in the box, Shipp, and I believe Miller probably serving the coincidental minor. Maybe Shipp getting assessed for the misconduct. Soren pins his man against the sidewall and poked away. That would be Evan Stokes picking it up. And he gains the zone, but Packers poke it away. Soren trying to hold the zone, no dice. Kale now trying to shove it back in there. And the puck goes across neutral ice. And Soren comes over with some pressure, poked away by Chatterjee. Soren flips it up and does just clear the zone. And errant pass. Kale's going to pick that one off the blue line. Quick shot. That one goes off a shin guard. Kale with another rebound attempt. That one goes wide. Julian picks it up in the corner. He sends it back along the end wall. And Kale absorbs a check and loses the puck. That's Will Martin now battling his man. He ties him up. And Kale comes over for a quick shot.
To Packers number 8, Israel Diaz, and number 10. And number 27, Evan Ship. We have an additional penalty for number 10, Evan Ship, for 10 minutes for unsportsmanlike conduct. 2-minute penalty is being served by number 23, Isaac Miller. So again, coincidental penalties for number 8 from South St. Paul Packers and number 27 from the Scots. And then we have an additional 10-minute penalty for number 27 for unsportsmanlike conduct.
So Ship gets hit with a 10-minute misconduct for unsportsmanlike conduct. Must have said something. And Isaac is in there serving the 2 minutes. Dion, why are we still at 5-on-5 hockey?
Hey, you got to call me right on that one.
So Dion and I need clarification from Toronto as to why the Packers are not on the power play, as Isaac is in there serving a 2-minute penalty. Well, again, I guess we'll take it. 5-on-5 hockey. Big slap shot there from Jacob, but it went right off his own man, and we're going to have to recirculate. 3:20 to go in the game and the period. 3-1 in favor of the Scots. Puck bounces out. Felix drops it to his line mate. That's Alex, who sends it against the half wall and into the Packers zone. Packers rim it along the sidewall, get through neutral ice with a no-look pass. Ends as expected. It's errant. Packers send it back down into the corner, drop it to the point. Big shot blocked by Jamison. And the puck is loose at the end wall. Felix over in the corner, tied up with 2 other guys. Packers emerge with it, looking to wrap it around, and they instead drop it to the blue line. Shot is deflected. I'm not sure if it was a Packer stick or Felix, but we come up with it, and Jamison just drifts it into the Packers zone to go for a change. Packers trying to clear, goes off of a skate, and they're forced to retreat into their own zone. They drop it. Kale in pursuit. There's the stretch pass, gets to the blue line, and Packers gain the zone. Shot is deflected, and Max sticks it aside. Felix stands his man up behind the net. And now that's Evan Stokes pinned against the boards. Getting some help from Felix. Soren now comes over to help. Players go down, and we're going to whistle it dead with 1:53. Things getting a little chippy over there. Felix visibly decides not to retaliate in that situation, which proves to be the right decision as the refs eventually whistle it dead. So we'll restart from the far side in the Scott zone. Soren on the draw and wins it, sends it back behind the net, but St. Paul, or the Packers with a quick shot. That one goes wide. Centering pass, and we tie up the Packers player just enough so he can't get on it. Shot comes in from the point, glove down, and then Kale picks it up. Good work from Kale to get it out of there. And we end up with the icing call, but we will head back down to the Scott zone. 1:35 to go and timeout called by the Packers.
We have a timeout taken by the South St. Paul Packers.
So a hush descends on the rink as the Packers strategize. Scots do the same. So Scots come back out to the ice ready to play. Packers still talking it over. And when we resume, we'll have 1:35 to go in this contest. Scots hanging on to a 2-goal lead, 3-1. And Henrik out to take the draw. We win it. Puck is, Jacob's clearing attempt is popped up into the air, and eventually the loose puck is gathered by Max. Max just kind of has to sprawl out and cover that one. 1:30 even to go now in the game. Packers coaches barking orders to their players. Henrik wins the faceoff initially, but the puck is loose, and Alex does enough to disrupt. And we send it back along the end wall. Henrik gets dropped, big hit, and penalty coming. Packers winding up for a slap shot when the whistle comes. South St. Paul faithful unhappy with the call. But it's gonna be an interference call. Face-off will be down into the Packers zone, and I don't want to speak too soon, but you would hope that should do it as we go on the power play for the remainder of the game. And the Packers, of course, will be forced to get their netminder back out there. Packers fans indicating they think it's a soft call, but once again, we'll take it. Soft call or not. It's really an open ice hit, no attempt to play the puck, and that's the reason for the call.
There is 1 minute remaining in the period.
So both Ransom brothers head to the box in this contest for the Packers. I think they're twins. Nice little backhanded flip from Jacob, and a backhanded attempt from Jamison hits the goalie in the face mask. And the Packers come out with it with some speed, looking to make something happen, but just too much traffic. And Alex trying to settle a puck that was on its side and gets it poked away. Now it's behind the net. And Alex observes a big hit. Packers looking to deliver a little punishment here in the closing seconds. And Alex looks to get back at his tormentor. And we flip it out along the sidewall. Packers have it, looking a little more like a Packers power play. Packers hit the post, actually, and that one goes into the netting. So Scott's not out of the woods yet. 10 seconds to go. Face off on the near side. Scots look to close it out. Julian comes out to take this face off. And Packers win it. Shot is wide. Clock winding down. And puck scoots out of the zone. That will do it. And the Scots close out the tournament with a victory. We take this one 3-1. Goals coming from Jacob with the opener and a long shot from the blue line. Julian gets the second on a nice assist from Kale, and then Soren gets the third on a greasy goal to finish the proceedings. So Happy New Year, everybody. The Scots start things off in winning fashion, and nice to get a victory against a team that has defeated us earlier this season. Have a great day.